This simple math problem is breaking the internet. So in this question, 7 minus 6 into 5 minus 4. Most of you guys solve this like this. 7 minus 6, that comes up to be 1, into 5 minus 4, that also comes up to 1. And the answer you guys got is, most of you guys got, is plus 1. But this is wrong. Because according to the order of operations, PEMDAS rule, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D stands for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We solve from left to right. So this is how you guys will solve this one. Right method, 7 minus 6 into 5 minus 4. So this is how you guys will solve them. 7 minus, first we will solve the multiplication part. 6 into 5, that comes up to 30, minus 4. Then according to the left to right rule, there is the subtraction. So we will first solve 7 minus 30. That will gives us minus 23 minus 4. And so the final answer you got will be 27 minus 27. And this is the correct answer.